In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Ads frequency capping how to use. Before we jump in, a quick note on what frequency capping means. It's a control that limits how often the same person sees your ad within a set time period. The goal is to reduce ad fatigue while keeping your message visible. To use it well, you need to understand how often your ads are actually being shown and verify that exposure aligns with your strategy. That's what we'll look at inside your account. Start by opening your Google Ads account and heading to the Campaigns section. You'll see a list of your campaigns. Click into the campaign you want to review so that you're looking at its reporting table. Depending on your campaign type, you may see ad groups or you may only see asset groups. If you have ad groups, click into the relevant one. If you only have asset groups, that's fine. Follow along in that view. Now look at the top right of the performance table and click Columns. From the menu, choose Modify Columns. This opens the list of metrics you can add to your view. Select Performance, then look for the category related to video metrics. Within that, find All Video Ad Sequence and choose Impression. Adding impressions from the Video Ad Sequence category helps you see how often your sequence or video placements are serving. Once you've selected it, click Apply, and your table will refresh to show the new column. With impressions visible, you can evaluate whether your exposure levels match the intent behind your frequency cap. For example, a steady impression count aligned with your audience size suggests your cap is pacing as expected, while unusually high impressions concentrated in a short window might hint at overexposure. If you're running video ad sequences, these metrics help you confirm that viewers aren't being shown the same sequence too frequently. A couple of practical tips as you interpret the data. Compare performance over a time frame that matches your cap window so you're reading the numbers in the right context. Keep an eye on trends rather than single-day spikes, and consider how campaign type affects which columns are available. Some options appear only for video-focused campaigns. If your interface looks a little different, that's normal. Layouts can vary slightly based on features enabled and campaign subtype. That's it. By opening your account, navigating to your campaign and the relevant group, and customizing your columns to include all video ad sequence impressions under performance, you'll have a clear view of delivery that helps you use frequency capping more confidently and avoid ad fatigue while maintaining reach.